Probably didn't expect to see me, but here I am. I'm back, working even harder, trying to get both of these channels going. So go check out my gaming channel. It's way bigger than this one already, but you know what I mean. If you enjoy gaming, go check it out over there. But you guys did not expect to see my face back, but here I am. I'm gonna just keep pumping out content on both channels because I have all kinds of badass stuff to film here in this city I just moved to. So now I can pump out both channels. So get the likes up for more epic badass content. But yeah guys, and be sure to get the likes up and go check out my other channel. I'll try to leave it in the description. If not, it's in my homepage. It's called Gaming Observed. Yeah guys. So today I'm going to be talking about the GTR because I just thought about it, and I guess they stopped making it, and it's like, I don't know, kind of sad. But at the same time, they're going to make another one. You know what I mean? You just have to realize with EPA and all the regulations and stuff of current stuff, you know, they could do it forever. So the new ones are definitely going to have some kind of electronics. Sadly, but I mean, we had this GTR for like almost, I want to say 20 years. It was a long time. It took out so many badass supercars and other things that people thought were worth the money, like, you know, expensive Porsches and things, Lambos, Lamborghinis, Ferraris. It took out everything on the truck. And it made basically just like any, you know, person off the streets good, a badass driver, you know what I mean? And it had, you know, just insane horsepower. I think it was around 700 when it first came out. All-wheel drive. From like a 3.5 liter V6 twin turbo, which is crazy. I don't know. I've always wanted the GTR, but maybe one day I'll get it. It's just a little up there in price. I don't know. But I always love the GTR. You know what I mean? The biggest thing is the sales tax, you know what I mean? Because yeah, I could afford it, but then also insurance on those things is probably, I want to say $600 a month. Then you have the car payment if you don't buy it outright, and then you also have sales tax and other things, and also interest rates of wherever you buy it from. Like if you get it from a dealer, if you don't get it like from a person, like private sale. I don't know. I've just always loved the GTRs. What do you guys think of the GTRs? Let me know down below. Because I'm going to be pumping out. I'm going to try to do daily content as much as I can. Do you guys think of as our shorts? Is shorts considered content? I don't know. To me, it doesn't really feel like it, but I mean, it's important to grow the channel. What do you think of shorts? Let me know down below. Cause like I understand, like sure, you know, they're awesome or whatever, but I don't know, man. Like the GTR has just been always badass, and then you have people out there that take this chassis, which is already insane, and then freaking they make it like 3,000 horsepower or more. It's crazy, the freaking builds, dude. I like to see that though. I don't know, cause I like domestic stuff, but I've always been more of an import guy. You know what I mean? That's why I have a $20,000 Integra 2005, like a special version. The very last 2 years they made it. It's a badass car. Came with an extra body kit. It came with a body kit, bigger brakes, stiffer suspension. I want to say it came with the Type R cold air intake box. I'm pretty sure they might have all came with it. I'm not sure, but that has the special paint job, and now I put another $5,000 into it. I put wheels and tires in it with badass Falcons to help it grip, because it's a 5-speed, and I'm a pretty good driver. And even like with like you know, the power that it has now, it would always freaking first gear is useless when it's wet. So I need some nice sticky tires. So I've always went with Falcons. They've always been my favorite. And then I use full synthetic oil and Yep, and it has a K series, of course. They come with those, a K20, which I love to death. It's a pretty badass chassis because I put coilovers and then I put brand new headlights on it because the ones that are on it were okay, but it needed some new ones because plastic can only be buffed so many times. I don't know. What do you guys think of the Integras? Sadly today they don't even make them anymore, you know, because I went to the Acura dealership here in this city and I was like, do you guys have anything like this? And they're like, no. Everything is just so changed now. It's like not what it used to be. I don't know. I'm just glad we still have, some, badass cars still being made. You know what I mean? We still have a lot of like good chassis, like the new Nismo. I think it's called the new Nismo Z is okay. Pretty cool. I like it. Little expensive, but at least it's twin turbo and a 6-speed. Because that's another problem, is all the manuals will be taken away. And I like my manual because it takes way more skill, and that actually makes you one with the car. You know what I mean? Whenever you're driving a manual, you're one with the car. You know what I mean? Automatic isn't the same. I mean, you just push a pedal. The DCT is okay, I guess, but I would still rather have a manual. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. And get the likes up for more epic content. And also, if you want to support me, because right now I gotta do, right now I'm trying to build a $2,000. I gotta buy a new engine for my Integra. Did a badass job, you know what I mean? I beat on it, and for somebody else did. That thing is 20 years old. That's a Honda engine though. It literally just went out. So I'm just gonna throw out another stock engine, and then maybe I want to boost one. I don't know, on the side. But that'd probably be like maybe 8,000 or so. I don't know. Because these new cars are a lot different. Like with like the older ones, I could just throw the engine in there and then turn the key. Now the key has to be programmed to the ECU. So it's like really weird. That's another reason I moved to this city, because if I had to get that key made, then I would have to have my car towed to the Acura dealership, to the nearest one. In my old town, I was still like an hour away. And that's a pretty expensive tow bill still. You know what I mean? But yeah, guys, I'm thankful to have all of these blessings. I'm thankful to have every one of you guys out there who watches this. And I just want you to know you're going to make it through all these tough times. We all have tough lives we have to go through. So keep your heads up, guys. You're going to make it through. Yeah, guys, let me know. What do you think of this? I don't know. When do you think we're going to get the new GTR? And I'm definitely thinking it's going to have some electronic stuff. They've been working on this thing for probably a long time. I don't know. I know it'll be badass. That's how Nissan is. That's another thing about the GTRs. It looks pretty badass, and basically every year they made it better. Because when it first came out, like one of the most important things, it was like $100,000, and it could basically take out Ferraris and everything else that was more expensive on the track. Stock, dude, it was just crazy. I was like, dang, get on Nissan. Because I always loved the GTRs and stuff, but I mean, the last Skyline officially was the R34, sadly. I mean, there was one newer one. It's called the Skyline, but it's not the GTR. So the new GTR is not an actual Skyline. It's just GTR. It's a different chassis and everything. I don't know, though, a badass chassis, dude. But yeah, I'm so thankful that we have Japan and all these other badass people to make these things for us. What do you think? Let me know down below. Yeah, I'm so getting used to having to look here, because usually the way I film on this is I have to flip it around and then I just sit on my tripod. But I already shoot a lot of my videos from back in the day like this. I figured you guys want to see my handsome face in my awesome fade. Hey, dude. I don't know. What do you think of the GTR, guys? I don't know. I just know this is gonna be another one. It's gonna be even crazier, cause that's Nissan for you. But yeah, guys, the legacy of the GTR will always live on in here. You know what I mean? Let me know down below what's your guys' favorite cars, because I'll have time today. You know what I mean? I'll have time to shoot one, video. I could talk infinitely about like different chassis, but I love imports, pretty much everything. Hondas, Nissans, Mazdas, everything. But yeah, guys, I'm up. See you in the next one.